Hi guys. Alright, as you all can see from the title and as well as the pops here, what are we going to do, Disha?
Attack on Titan Wave 2.
Wave 2, yes, correct. Attack on Titan Wave 2. Basically, for Attack on Titan Wave 1, there is Mikasa,
Eren.
Alright.
Eren in his Titan form,
Alright.
and
Colossus Titan. So what Dinisha told me was the Eren's Titan form is actually this size, yeah, instead of the 6-inch, yeah. And then who else? The Colossus is a 6-inch.
Yes.
Okay, Colossus actually.
At least 6.
Yeah, he should be 7-inch. 10-inch.
10
Oh yeah, he should be 10-inch. Yeah. Right. So yeah, so today we are going to attack on Titan. Alright. So Dinisha told me that actually season 2 finished last week.
Yeah,
so we are just in time to do Attack on Titan. Right. So let's enough of talking. Let's start unboxing this Funko Pop. Alright. Okay. So today's agenda, we are going to unbox Attack on Titan Wave 2, and we are also going to announce the winners for our the June giveaway. Right. This one. Okay, 2 winners we are going to announce at the end of the video. Alright. So stay tuned. Okay. Alright.
So before we proceed, this video will contain spoilers if you haven't watched Attack on Titans or season 2.
Yeah. Let's start. Okay.
So Wave 2.
Yep.
We have 4 regular pops and 3 exclusive ones.
Yep.
The regular ones is the Female Titan, Armored Titan, Levi, Annie Leonhardt for the regular, and then the exclusive we have
Armin. Okay.
Sasha has not arrived. That's my personal collection, and we have
Cleaning Levy. Right. Later we'll talk about why is it Cleaning Levy. But I'm sure most of you all know. Okay.
Yeah,
but we'll keep that for later. Okay. Right. So should we do the 6-inch one or the normal regular pop first stage?
I think the regular.
Okay. We'll move aside this Armored Titan and Female Titan. Okay. We will start with 235 and 236. Alright. So I'll take Levi. Okay. Levi. Okay. Captain Levi, and Dinisha will take Annie Leonhardt. Okay. Okay. Let's open this up. Okay. So Levi, Captain Levi. Okay. Levi.
Yeah.
Pronunciation.
At first I didn't know, but I read the katakana. It says Levi. So
Levi.
Yeah.
Levi. Okay. Captain Levi. Okay. From what I checked, he's actually 30 plus. Right? He's about 30 plus, but he looks so young.
Yeah. He looks like 20 plus.
Yeah, like actually like Eren, Mikasa, they are about 19 19 years old, okay? Levi is Levi, okay? He's like 30 plus, and he's one of the best soldier there is, right? He's one of the best, right? This Attack on Titan is like really very interesting, And okay, we actually watched season 2. Okay, I was separate with Dinisha, okay, for the last episode.
We watched the first 6 episodes together.
Yeah, and then we after that, last week we watched separately. So over here I have Levi, okay, Captain Levi, okay. This is episode. Imagine Attack on Titan has 235 episodes. We will die. Okay, alright. So we have number 235, okay, which is Levi, okay. He's holding the maneuver, is it? Is this called the maneuver?
I know it's an OMD.
Oh, OMD, something like that, right? One of these, okay, the weapon, okay. So if you guys take a look, right, the weapon, right, is actually like blades.
Yeah.
You know the cutting blades that you cut, box cutter, right? It's like that. You know, it looks like that, and it can also break.
Yeah,
right.
Blunt.
And then he's having his equipment there. Okay.
Then the Survey Corps.
The Survey Corps logo is behind. Okay, Dinisha will do a turn around for you all later, right? So he has his trademark haircut. Okay, his undercut over here, right? This is Captain Levi. Okay, with his weapon, it's all the weapon, right? So one sad thing about their weapons is that the blades can run out, okay, and the gas can run out, okay, and that is like so sucky. Alright. Next is Annie.
Annie, she's wearing her training uniform, the one for you can see the unicorn behind here.
Okay.
Like all the cadets wear this uniform.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is Annie, right? So we have Levi.
Levi.
Okay, Levi, okay? Levi and Annie over here, alright? So now we'll take a look at the Titan, alright? The Titans, okay?
Titans.
Nisha will take female Titan, and I'll take armored Titan, okay? Alright? So is this yours?
Yes, that's
Alright.
why it's okay to take out.
Alright, this is Nisha's one, so yeah, we don't have to be so gentle, yeah.
Why?
Because it's yours.
Mine is also.
No, actually this female Titan is Nisha's one. But armored Titan, Nisha's going to pay it,
No,
and this is for me.
it is mine.
Okay? Thank you in advance. Can you take off?
Why?
It's like, yeah, I'm going to tear it off.
Tell about the tape.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You will, how do I say? You will spoil the box.
Mine didn't.
Okay? Okay, I'll try and take it out. But I scared I will just,
Okay, let's take out the tape.
yeah, that's why.
You really dented the box.
It's like the box is already dented. That's done. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, it's actually dented already. Alright?
His fault.
Okay, but this is going to be mine. So it's okay. Alright, let's open up our Titan. It's okay, it's mine now. So cool! Okay, alright, I have here is Armored Titan, and Dinisha actually has female Titan, okay? So the female Titan is number 233, and Armored is at 234. Okay, we'll give you guys a turn around. You guys can have a closer look. Okay, over here, you can start, Dinisha.
So, she looks similar to Colossal Titan, you know, like muscle.
Yeah, right. It's like the nerve, like the
Muscle, not
muscle.
nerve.
Oh, muscles. Okay, muscles. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. And then you can see that she's actually fighting pose. Okay. Over here at 234 is Armored Titan or Rhino Brawn. Okay. Can we be a spoiler?
He looks like a turtle, to be honest, when he closes his mouth.
You mean in the Funko or the anime?
The anime.
In the anime, okay, alright, okay. And this is a Rhino brown, right? But the hair is, Rhino, right?
Actually, I think in the anime it's slightly darker, slightly
Yeah,
more
it's a yellow. Oh, okay.
Slightly more yellow, I think.
I think, okay. But his hair, right? Rhino's hair is not this color, right?
I think
Only when he becomes Titan, he's this color, correct?
it looks similar.
Similar, okay, alright. So this is the Armored Titan, okay?
For the pop, it looks like muscle, but actually in the anime, no.
No, it's actually armored. It's actually
Like really.
metal, right? No, it's not metal.
Hard
The
material.
hard material, okay? They say you can't kill him from the neck.
Yeah.
It's too.
Hence armored Titan.
Okay, now.
Okay, so now for the exclusives.
Okay, this is Dinsha's personal collection, okay? So you know when it comes to pop, Dinsha will have her own personal collection.
Yes.
Yeah, because she will waste money and buy pops. Okay? But she has one very nice one today. Cleaning.
I find it very funny.
I find it very funny, you know.
Very cute.
You know what's even more funny? This guy is so cool and serious.
Yeah, and then you see.
And then suddenly you see this. Okay, who should start first? 238.
237 lah.
237.
Armin.
Okay, Armin, okay. Right, I'll start with Armin first. Spoiler alert.
Oh no.
Okay. Look at her face.
Oh no, you really spoil so much.
Okay, I'm not going to spoil it, okay, I'm fine. It's so cool, what's going to happen to him?
But people, I think if you say now, they will go.
Yeah, just
Google the thing.
you're just going to
Okay,
Google.
if you're curious, just go Google.
Okay, if you guys are curious, right? If you guys are curious, just go and Google Armin and just see what happened to him, okay?
Yeah.
Just go and, if you guys are curious, right, just go and Google Armin, okay?
Yeah.
If you guys don't want any spoilers, you guys want to wait, then
Just wait.
alright? Okay? Alright, so Armin's over here, right? His signature hairstyle. Okay, so Armin is over here, alright? He's actually similar with Levi, okay? Okay, because they are wearing the Scouts, the 104 Scouts uniform, right? Okay, basically they have the same weapon, okay, the OMD, alright?
But Armin's blade.
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Then
Actually. And
I
actually,
think it's more like it's quite
Yeah.
soft material.
but you take a look, right?
Levi has his backwards.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
The stripe.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. You see Levi's one and Amin's one is holding like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically,
Maybe you see a veteran and
and
newbie.
yeah, it's they call it juniors, right? Okay. But usually Amin he will just give the plates to Mikasa.
Does he?
Yeah. Alright. So yeah, we have Ameri over here.
Armin.
Amin over here. Okay. I just confused with the names. Okay. Amin over here, right? So Disha will talk to you about this.
Cleaning Levi.
Yeah, cleaning Levi, right?
Okay, this was in season 1 actually. I put an image here, a still image.
Yeah.
I find it very, very funny.
Yeah, it's
Just very funny. Because, okay, Levi is actually a clean freak.
yep.
So I guess that's why they made
They made a cleaning. Yeah, it's there's cleaning Levi. Okay, we'll do a turnaround for you guys.
So just talk about Sasha's
Yeah, Sasha's top.
Sasha, she's okay from the picture here. You can see that she is wearing the cadet uniform as well,
238. Yep.
and she's holding a potato,
Yeah.
which is like a nod to her
To her,
gluttony.
because she likes to eat, right?
Yeah.
She likes to eat, and it's every time potato.
Yeah,
It's every time potato.
it's like her eyes light up.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Actually, this one he has a stand.
he has a
as
stand,
well,
yeah.
He can stand.
he can stand on his own. Actually, all has a stand.
Annie also
Okay.
has a stand.
But right.
It's just this one.
Yeah, this one can't stand, okay? Right? So we have six Attack on Titan spots over here.
4 regular to exclusive.
Yeah, okay? So, Nisha, out of these 6, which one is your favorite? Cleaning, right?
But if out of the 4, which is your favorite?
Which 4?
Regular.
Or regular ones?
The ones we have here at the shop.
It's between these 2. I think I'll choose him because of his OMD, his weapon. Okay? But actually, I like
But if out of the 6,
out of the 6, I will still choose Levi, okay? Right? Because of his weapon. I mean, because of his uniform and the weapon, right? But I also like Armored Titan, alright? And these 2 are actually my favorites, alright? So Disha, which one is yours? Out of the 6 first.
out of the 6 is this one.
This one, okay.
Out
Out of the 4,
I like 2 of these.
yeah, because
So, it's so... I have
it's,
no words for it.
yeah. But if you take a look, right, the female Titan looks nicer than the Armored Titan,
Yeah.
alright?
So I guess this is my favorite out of the 4.
Out of the 4, Disha's favorite is the female Titan, okay? Mine will be this, okay? So, we have already unboxed
Yeah.
what?
No.
What is it?
Oh yes, you will.
Nothing, I don't say anything.
No.
Actually, what?
The Wave 2 was released while Attack on Titan Season 2 was going on.
Oh,
So, there's a possibility in Season 3,
there'll be a
there's a
new
Wave 3.
Wave 3.
So,
Which one?
which character would you like to see as a pop?
Very interesting question.
Right.
Yes. Okay, season 1 got how many? How many box?
Wave 1 got 4.
Wave 4. Okay, so this one also got 4 actually.
4.
4 box.
The first lineup was 4. These 4 and then they included Armin, Sasha, and Cleaning Levi. So,
I don't know, season for Wave 3.
something that's not in May.
Why, you going to say Yime? Yume?
Yeah.
You. Okay, will you say first? Let me think, right? There's so many characters. I don't know the names actually. Oh. I want a smiling titan.
Oh.
6-inch smiling titan.
Uh,
Okay.
no, I know the name, but I don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh, Historia.
No.
And then
Wait, let me see.
Yime, dancing titan.
Hans.
Oh, okay. The the West Texan, right?
Yeah,
that one. Okay, that one. You know who's Hans? This one. Okay. So
I think
that's
to kill your time, you can watch the live action movie.
live action movie. There's a live action movie. Oh, really?
Yes, I think it was like 2 years ago.
Live action movie.
To be honest, I watched a live action movie before I started watching the anime.
It's live, is it?
Live action.
Do they actually use?
Yeah, there's a CGI.
Oh, okay, so yeah, okay. So actually today we have been having a lot of talking instead of unboxing.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's a very interesting anime, right?
Yes.
So if you guys haven't watched, you guys should watch Attack on Titan. Okay, right? Then before we end today's unboxing Sunday, right? What are we going to do, Nisha?
We announced the giveaway. I mean the winners for the giveaway.
The winners of June's giveaway. Okay, so basically the winners for June giveaway, right? They will win Wonder Woman, XXRAY and Funko. Okay, so there will not be one winner, there will be two winners. Okay, Dinisha will choose one winner and I will choose one winner. Right, so basically there are about 10 comments
Yeah.
on actually we asked you guys which scene you guys like from Wonder Woman. Okay, Dinisha, which scene actually do you like?
The ending where Steve Trevor died.
Actually, that is also my favorite part.
Because I started crying. No, Steve Trevor. Then after that, Diana. No.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Actually, the one to me the very touching part is when
He's like giving the watch to her.
yeah,
For me,
give,
giving the watch.
yeah, giving the
And
watch.
it's like she couldn't hear.
She couldn't hear,
anything.
yeah.
Then after that, it's like,
And then suddenly she recalled, and then Steve said, "I love you." Wow,
it's like
that's cool, right? The word saying, I wish that we had more time,
Yeah.
right? And then this, yeah, that's our favorite scene. Okay, and I believe that most of you all commented that scene as well.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so
want to stapler or
now we just put it in. Okay, so there are 10 comments. Disha will choose one and I will choose one. Alright? Alright?
basically there was a phone call, so we
Yeah.
stopped it for
There was a phone call just now, we can stop it for a while. Let's continue, okay?
Yep.
So like what I was saying, there are 10 comments, okay?
Yeah.
Everything's in here. Disha will choose one and I will choose one. Correct? Alright, so Disha, you can start first. Wait. Drama.
drama.
Don't open it.
Okay.
I'll take one more, okay? Okay, I'll take this. Okay? Open yours. Who's the winner? Okay, the first winner for Wonder Woman, XXRAY and Funko is
Jing Tae.
who?
Just so happened she commented like,
Oh yeah,
I need to have this.
and it's a very long
There
comment.
you go.
Okay, alright, so congratulations. Okay, you have one Wonder Woman from Funko and also from XXRAY, right? So this one is yours. Alright? So my next one is Zoe Ma.
Oh yeah. She so wanted.
Oh, she also wanted, okay? She was saying, just collected the box yesterday. Thank you, the loot chest, and I really love it.
Yeah, if you saw the Overwatch video, there was a
Ah, yeah. She was also said, yeah, she has actually said, okay, back to a giveaway then. I love the whole movie and it's hard for me, super WWE fans, to pick a favorite scene in a movie because everything is perfect. But one of the unforgettable scene is also my favorite scene, is the last part scene, right?
everyone to sing.
Alright, so hope my luck will stay with me for this giveaway, right? Congratulations, Zoe. Your luck, okay? Your luck did stay with you.
Yep.
Okay,
It's
you,
so easy.
right? So you won another set. Oh, keep on dropping it. Alright, so you have won this, alright? So congratulations, Zoe as well as,
See.
alright? So you
So
have,
if you have already messaged us on Facebook before, then just let us know if you would like to come here and collect.
alright?
Or
Or we can post it to you
Yeah.
guys, right? But postage will be like after
Raya.
Raya, right? Okay, so we will end today's unboxing Sunday.
Today's may be long.
Today one's going to be a long one, alright? Disha, just end it,
Bye bye.
okay?